do something.
It's the light.
Yeah, you'll have to hold it up. Yeah.
So today we are unboxing our 18-inch Amazon ring light. Yeah!
It finally came. We have it.
Amazon count your days because it was Prime. It was supposed to get here on Friday and it's Monday. Alright, let's open it up.
Alright, let's see.
See what we got here. Let's see if it was worth the money we paid. $132 for this.
Yes.
So we want to see if it's worth it. We can reverse it.
That's it.
Let's go, let's go. For like Christmas. Oh, my earring. I'm losing my earring.
Use the scissors.
I know, right? You gave me the scissors for me not to use them.
Alright. Yeah, I'll take those. Alright. So I think Amazon did say it comes in 2 boxes. Or 2.
It's a box within a box.
It is a box within a box.
Actually.
So this is, I'm guessing this is the ring light. The actual ring light.
This looks like paper. Is anything else in there? That's just paper.
It's just paper. I don't know, it might be something underneath. So here, take the paper out. No? Alright, Amazon Live. Alright. So now we will open it with the scissors again. Alright.
Yes. Lordy.
Ripped it.
I did not rip it.
Did rip it. Alright.
Oh my God.
It is something else is in this box at the bottom.
I don't think that's what they were referring to though. I think it's just this box within this box, but that's still all one box. Nice little case. This is nice. So if you want to take it on the go.
I don't know where you would take a ring light.
If you want to film somewhere else, you could. We'd be on vacation.
But we gotta plug it up.
Hotels and stuff.
You got a point.
It could be anywhere besides the house.
And the stand was at the bottom. So. Alright, what else in the bag?
That's all this is.
That's all that's in the bag.
This is 18 inches.
Yeah, but it's another box. I don't know what's in this box.
The adapter, the outlet.
For the outlet.
Yeah. Plug it up.
And I think.
Oh, that might be for a phone.
Or
for the camera.
Or for the camera.
I think ours could do both though.
Yeah. You gotta read the directions. But I think it does hook up to a camera as well. Alright. And the instructions.
Alrighty, let's see it. Alright, so I think we start with the stand.
The stand.
Say number 1, light stand position at the extreme bottom of the box. Okay. 2, folded stand is placed at the bottom of. Okay, it's just take. They told us to take it out the box. Like they really need to put that on the.
Literally.
It say folded stand is placed at the bottom box of the package. Take it out.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, we're gonna leave it in the box.
Loosen the fixing screw knob.
I did that here. It was already loose.
Hold the middle pole. Okay, you're clearly holding it. It's really like, why is it going so deep? Hold the middle pole of the light stand with one hand.
One hand.
Okay, and pull out the stand legs with the other hand.
Okay, they're
See
out.
if you can do that.
They're out. They were up like that before.
Okay,
See?
cool.
Like that and pull them out.
Adjust the stand legs to the angle you want.
Alright, that's fine.
Fix the 3 legs stably.
Alrighty. I guess.
Loosen the screw knob on the middle of the pole to extend the light stand to the height you want.
I'm pretty sure it's this one. Alrighty. Oh,
It might be 3 different ones actually, right?
yeah. So, I mean, I don't think we need it that high.
Right.
But
It cut down a little bit.
But just for video purposes.
Oh yeah, right.
It is 3 different ones, so it can go pretty high.
Yeah.
That's not one. I don't know what that is. So it's 2. That one. That's it.
This, if I look this earring one more time. It's all of this.
So, that's the stand.
Are there any other instructions? Why is this like
No. No more instructions. So,
I thought I had something. A white piece of paper.
well, if you had it, then I mean, you lost it. So, nothing else in the bag. Nothing. Just the bag. So, time to wing it.
What in the world? I thought I had a white piece of paper.
I'm pretty sure you just clip on.
They were clipped on. What did you do?
They were not clipped on.
Yes, they were. That goes.
They're clipped on.
This goes under. See, you messed it up.
No, you gotta take these off.
Get off. I'll do it.
Wrong.
It's not wrong.
Wrong. I didn't hear a click.
Next. You work and focus on the pole. I focus on the light.
Alright, now we gotta put that on here. Some kind of way.
Where is
Pretty
my...
sure it's this way. So, is the screw? Where's the screw? What in the world?
I swear it was a different...
Let's wing it. Let's wing it, you guys.
Let's not wing it. I thought there was a white... I don't know why I thought there was a
I'm
white piece
confused.
of paper.
Okay, well, we got other pieces, so maybe we do need these pieces.
I thought there was a white piece of paper I had. I thought.
Well, I don't know what you had, so...
You look in the box?
I looked in the box.
Lordy.
Nothing.
Unboxing goes wrong.
Oh.
See, I knew it was a
It
white piece of
is.
paper.
More instructions.
Lordy, that's another language. What is this talking about?
I don't think these are assembly instructions. It says turn on. We didn't even put it on the stand yet.
That's all it is. Remote control. Ooh, we got remote control.
No, we don't.
It say remote control.
Well, Amazon, I need a refund because I don't have no remote control.
That's the light. That's the pole. I got nothing to do.
I know, but
No, ours got a remote control. It
it's...
said remote control number 9.
Yeah, because
Number 9.
I think this ring light can change colors.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, look at that. Look at that on the backs.
Oh yeah, check it.
It's like digital.
Yeah.
Knobs and stuff.
Pretty cool if we knew what we were doing. Okay, so do we need batteries? Or
It don't need batteries. You plug it into the wall.
I knew that. I'm confused though because
I'm also confused. Okay. Or maybe,
Like-
hold on, let me see.
maybe we're not supposed to focus on the pole right now.
But this is,
Like, what is
what
that?
screws here? What is this? Let's just start opening stuff. Pretty sure that's for a cell phone. I got a mini screwdriver in here. I don't know what that is. That might be something.
Oh my goodness, these. Okay, so far, these
Instructions
stuff. Yes.
I don't know what this is either. Maybe.
But they said turn on.
So, let me see.
But this is like after everything was put together. You know what I'm saying? Like, certain buttons mean certain things. So where are the? Let's like plug it up, I guess. Maybe it's just not hard. Maybe we just plug it up. But I'll figure out how does this go?
It still has to go on here.
What is that?
Oops.
Oh, don't be screwing stuff off.
Bam.
Where would that go right here?
I don't know.
What you mean, bam? Did this go here? So this is the difference in the light. Off. On. I feel like it's pretty good. And then
It's bright. You
It
can
goes-
dim it.
yeah, it goes brighter. This is 75%, 100%, 1%, 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%.
Yeah.
Then there's like channels. I don't know what that means yet.
I think the channels have something to do with the remote that we did not get. That thing's pretty bright.
And then it's like, what the channel you turn it up. Like I don't know what that is. So we gotta.
So you can adjust the light to different brightnesses. All the way, what's the lowest? 1%, all the way to 100%. But you can also adjust the, I guess what they call it, the warmth.
Yeah, the temperature.
The temperature, and it goes from, what does it go from? 33K to 5,800.
Yep.
So as you go down, the warmer it gets. And you can see the difference in the picture. How the higher the number, the cooler the picture looks. And then the lower it goes, the warmer it looks. It's pretty cool.
So depending on the vibe you want to give, I guess it's the number you'll pick.
Yep, I'm liking this one.
You like this one?
I like the warm.
The one?
And that's the bright. And the room we're in is pretty bright already, so I guess you can see more of a difference with the warmth.
Okay, so to recap, we bought the 18-inch ring light from Amazon. Even though ours took a little longer, we did order Prime, but that's a whole nother story. The stand came together. All you have to do is put the light on top,
And,
which it
and screw it in. But they don't tell you in the directions that you literally just sit the light on top of the little metal piece.
And then what else? It has different temperature modes.
And different brightness percentages.
Exactly. But
It's white.
I guess we'll see how our other videos go with brightness and lighting wise, and I guess we'll be able to tell if we like it for sure. But right now, we give it a thumbs up. So you can order yours off of Amazon.
And we got the 18-inch ring light.
That's what I said. But thank you.
Just so they know.